We are out on the Rubicon Trail today. Rubicon Trail is known as the toughest, most harsh trail in the world. And we are out here testing the Armorlite flooring and cargo replacement system, which is the toughest flooring system on the trail. It doesn't wear at all. I mean, it goes through 20,000 cycles. It's mildew and moisture resistant. You don't have that smell of moisture if you've been out in wet weather. It has a thermal insulating layer that allows it to drop the sheet metal temperature underneath you from 240 degrees to 100 degrees. On top of the protective marine grade top coat, you have this dense insulator underneath, which reduces heat and noise from underneath the vehicle. These are also customized to be factory fit. So you pull your flooring system out, like the carpet you have in your Jeep, you put this in, takes about 3 to 4 hours, and you get this replacement system in your vehicle. They also have it for cargo areas of your Wrangler, but this is just amazing. With all these features in here, it just makes running your Jeep so much easier, and the cleanup is just spectacular.